If you know about Aqua bag, you should know about this. Originally used for boats where they cushion themselves against the sides. Open this cap and put water in it. You need bolt, not a screw, special kind of tape which you use for gas pipes so it doesn't leak, and a drill, and a big enough drill bit so it doesn't take too long to fill up the water. So what I tried to do, open the cap to fill it up to the top. Once you open it, it's very hard to reopen this again, so I decided to do that. I couldn't drill that bit size of a bolt, so it's easier for me to fill it up to the top, easier. After that's done, use a bolt to screw in where to put the water in. Also, before you put the water, use a pump, blow it up to make a perfect circle, then fill up the water. This is the gas tape I was talking about. You can use water one as well. I've just used what I've got available, and this is that's the bolt I put in there. Then it becomes the best boxing bag in the world, which is an Aqua bag. Cheap, definitely durable. This is a headshot size. Put rope through this, take it anywhere. There you go, Aqua bag. Hope this helps. Take care.